In iManage Work, you can quickly restore documents that you moved to trash. Click your username and select Trash. This list displays all the documents that you moved. You can enter search criteria in any or all of the fields to narrow down the list. All documents that were moved to trash are displayed here, including all the versions. Click a document version to select it. Click Restore. You have a choice to either restore the selected version of the document or all versions. Select the required option and click Restore. A success message is displayed to confirm the document restore. Details of the document and the location to which the document was restored to are also displayed.